Hello, I'm Jovan Johnson with the IMF Tracker. This week, minimum business tax to be implemented this fiscal year. New structural benchmark added to Jamaica's IMF deal and Caymanas Economic Zone project shelved. These stories in a moment, but first, our question of the week. Who is a bagman? Stay tuned, the answer comes up at the end of the program. The minimum business tax initially announced 2 years ago will be implemented this fiscal year. The measure has been included in the revenue of estimates for the 2014-2015 budget. Finance and Planning Minister Dr. Peter Phillips introduced the minimum business tax as part of several measures in 2012. Dr. Phillips had proposed a flat rate minimum tax of $60,000 applicable to professionals and companies. Startups in year one of your operation, charities and companies would be exempted. The 2014-2015 budget is scheduled to be tabled in the Parliament on Thursday, April 3. The implementation of a data management system in all parish councils has been included in Jamaica's updated agreement with the IMF as a new structural benchmark. The data management system is to speed up approval of construction permits. And the government says actions for improving the business climate were on track and additional steps have been prioritized in light of the imperative of promoting growth. Most construction approvals take between 8 to 18 months to be completed. The government has shelved plans for the Caymanas Economic Zone. The Industry Ministry says the major project would have implications for the government's deal with the IMF. However, the opposition Jamaica Labour Party is upset at the decision, arguing that the government had 2 years in which it could have taken steps to protect such a significant investment. The opposition says the Caymanas Economic Zone offered the greatest opportunity for short to medium-term development that would facilitate employment. And to end our program, the answer to this week's question. The question again, who is a bagman? Now, a bagman is any person in charge of organizing, collecting and transporting money, generally in connection with illegal or illicit activities. And that's where we end our trek this week on the IMF Tracker. I'm Jovan Johnson.